Hello, hi, this is Damiana Avila. I had a project for my windows and my doors, and I called Opal, and they came right away. And Irving was so nice in terms of explaining the different choices, and also he guided me along insofar as what are the nice choices. And then we made the final choice for the windows and the doors, and they came, and then uh, prices were explained and also was decided, and then Ty called me insofar as when it will be installed. So I am very satisfied now that the project is finished with the windows and doors, and everyone was very friendly and nice, and they were all efficient and effective, and the whole crew was really very approachable and easy to talk to, and they also listened to whatever my concerns are, and everyone was really just good, from Ty to Katie to Jose to all the crews. Okay, and so now I'm satisfied, and I will continue to refer to my friends and relatives, and so that they will also enjoy the good service. Thank you.
Thank you, Damiana. We definitely appreciate your business.
Mhm.